Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 crashing problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, just click here and then type background apps, and after that make sure to turn off all those applications that you can find here, and then go back and then type here device manager, and after that click display adapters, and that's it. Now just right click and update all the drivers that you can find here, and that's it. Now just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC your problem must be fixed, and that's it. It's easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.